Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Doron, and I'm here to discuss my oral presentation. As you noticed, I put an equation up on the board, and the first line is x plus y is greater than or equal to 12.
Yes.
I need to change this into the y-intercept. It will then be turned into y. I'll keep the y's on the left-hand side, move everything else to the right-hand side, and if it changes sides, it changes signs. So this plus x becomes
Minus
negative x plus 12. And right away what I can do is graph that. This is the starting value, or the y-intercept, at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right over here. And this minus x means down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. I would use a ruler normally, and my first line looks like this. Greater than or equal to. Does this mean you shade above or below?
Above.
You say above, and you're right. I'll put arrows like this. And I go to my next line. X is greater than or equal to 2y. I know that I need to put the y's on the left-hand side.
So you switch the
and
whole
everything
side.
else on the other side.
So it becomes less than.
And you're right. So I'm going to go 2y. If I change and flip it, I need to flip the sign as well. Then I'll divide both sides by 2.
So isn't it negative 2y
over 2
is less than negative x? Because you're switching both sides.
No.
Oh, okay.
I've just changed the sign.
Yeah.
I just flipped it, excuse me.
So instead of putting a
And
negative,
so-
you switch the sign, right?
I'm not even dealing with negatives right now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So there's no starting value here. It means this goes up 1, right 2. Here's my first coordinate. Up 1, right 2. And again, I'm going to draw it over here. And then ask myself, shade above or below? The answer is
Above.
above. Y is less than,
I mean less than, yeah.
so it's below. X is less than or equal to 16. X is less than or equal to 16. It's over here. I'll put a line like this. Less than or equal to 16. Shade to the left or shade to the right? Who knows?
To the right.
It's less than or equal to 16.
To the left.
To the left.
Move your body to
You
the
move
left.
to the left.
Left. Right.
And finally, my fourth line. I've had so much fun doing it once. I do it a second. I do it a third. And now I'm on to the fourth time. Y is greater than or equal to 3.
So just
0, 1, 2, 3. I make another line like this. Normally I would use a ruler. Always a good idea to write in pencil. Greater than or equal to y. I put my arrows here. I ask myself, where do all these intersect? And it's here. And that's exactly where I'm going to shade.
That's your
One
presentation.
of these lines would be easy. If I do a second one, it becomes a little more challenging, and I've done 4.
I stop.
Any questions or comments?
No.
Stop.